Hi, my name is Spencer Ederhoff, and today I'm going to be presenting on three improvements that the course registration SNAP used by Black Hills State University could improve on. Okay, so the first improvement that I would suggest is a class search. Um, I think the class search in the SNAP is flawed, mostly because you have to essentially look up your subject as well as the course number. And I would venture to say that 90% of students aren't quite sure what the course number is of the class that they're looking for. And because of that, I would say that this should be just, they should get rid of the course number, period. And instead, they should make a more user friendly way to search for your class. Um, the second improvement or problem that I ran into is it's tough to find classes for your major. Um, I think a way that they could fix this is to do major specific searches, and I think that it would be very beneficial to add a section to where you can say I'm an accounting major, and the first time you log in, Snap will go ahead and um, recognize that you're an accounting major, and it will be able to tell all the classes that you have taken before and the ones that you need to take still. And once it does that, after the first time you've joined, it will be able to tell you which classes you still need to take and be able to understand that you are an accounting major. And then I think another thing that could really be helpful is if you need to take more gen eds, it could also tell you if you need more gen eds and which ones you can take to fulfill the needs of getting your general credits. Um, the third improvement slash problem that I ran into, it might be the simplest of them all, and this improvement is solely add a print button. I know you can go up into File, Print, but that would then print the whole entire screen. And instead of doing that, I think they should add a button that prints just your schedule, just a clean look of your schedule, and allows you to take a look at your schedule on paper and not have all that extra web browser information included in it. It's a very simple but very effective suggestion, and I think it would be very beneficial for a lot of kids. Overall, some problems I ran into. Clearly, one was to refine the class search and to simplify it. The second one is allow major specific searches, and it should essentially know what major you are and the classes you need and the classes you have taken already. And as well as your major classes, I think if you were needing general credits still for gen eds, I think that it should be able to tell you which gen eds you need still. And the last and final problem that I ran into is there was no print button. And it's a very simple suggestion, but I think it's one that could be very beneficial because for me, I like to write down my schedule because there is no print button, and I don't like to print it when there's all the web browser information along with it. It just makes it kind of confusing, and I would rather be able to look at a specific piece of paper that is just simply my classes, where they're at, and the professor and things and what, yeah, and things like that. So, yeah. That is my presentation and my suggestions for Snap. Thanks.